I've got some examples laid out here of Darwin's barnacles and what he actually worked on. So Darwin spent 8 years or more of his life actually working entirely on classifying barnacles. He was very passionate about those studies, and what he did in terms of classifying them was arrange them according to different types of species. So I'm just going to show you a few examples of the specimens that he looked at and that he worked on. I have some of Darwin's stalked barnacles here. They're preserved dry, so a lot of the material that Darwin worked on was dry, and what he would do was actually stick them to boards like this or bits of thinner card. He would actually dissect the plates, so the plates are at the top of the head of the barnacle, so that's the hard part. So when these stalk barnacles were actually freshly caught, the stalk would actually be the fleshy part. It's actually hardened now due to its preservation. And you can see on this species, which is Polycipes elegans, the plates at the top are actually red in colour. And Darwin was brilliant at documenting the size, shape and colour of these types of barnacles. So actually in his monograph, which I have here, 2 volumes that he wrote about the extant barnacles. He wrote the monographs of those barnacles first before he went on to publish 2 other works on fossilised barnacles. He's got major descriptions and classifications of how these barnacles should actually be arranged scientifically. The other type of barnacles that he worked on were encrusting barnacles. So this is a variety that you would commonly see on whales. So it's known as whale, its common name is whale barnacles. And these are often the largest barnacles that you can find on substrate in the ocean. Along with that, in terms of looking at shape and size and differences of encrusting barnacles, I have here what you might be more familiar with are the encrusting barnacles that live on rocks, shells and often on the bottom of ships as well.